In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to undisclosed recipients from Gmail. This is a useful technique when you want to email a large group of people without sharing everyone's email address publicly. Let's make sure each recipient feels valued while keeping your contact list private and secure. First off, begin by logging into your Gmail account. You'll see your inbox, and from there, look for the Compose button on the top left corner. Click on it to open a new email window. Once you're in the new email window, you'll want to ensure the To field is properly configured to keep your recipients undisclosed. In this field, type Undisclosed Recipients followed by your own email address in angle brackets. For example, it should look like this: Undisclosed Recipients your email at gmail.com. This simple detail helps personalize your email while keeping the true list of recipients hidden. Now, to add the recipients you want to email without disclosing their emails, look for the BCC button, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy. It's just below the To field that you're working in right now. When you click BCC, a new field will open up. Enter the email addresses of all your intended recipients in this BCC field. Unlike the To or CC fields, using BCC will keep the emails hidden from everyone receiving your message. This is crucial for privacy, as each person will only see their own email address and not the others. It's especially useful if you're reaching out to a large group with a shared interest, and you want to ensure everyone's privacy is respected. Next, it's time to give your email a subject. Keep it concise and relevant to the message you are sending. A clear subject line will capture your recipient's attention and encourage them to open your email. Now, go ahead and write your message in the main body section. Aim for simplicity and clarity in your writing to effectively convey your message. Once you're happy with the message, double-check it for any errors or any changes you might want to include. Ensure that the email addresses are correct and that there are no typographical errors in your text. After reviewing your message, all that's left is to click Send. With that, your email will be sent out to all the recipients, maintaining each recipient's privacy by keeping their email addresses hidden. And that's how you send an email to undisclosed recipients using Gmail. This method is a great way to communicate efficiently and responsibly with multiple contacts. Remember to respect privacy and use this feature wisely. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.